Man City have not begun their Premier League campaign. After their first 3 wins, they are yet to start the season. They will start the season after the international break. This is according to Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola is saying that their first 3 matches of the Premier League were his pre-season. So after the international break, that's when their first match of the season begins. Man City won the first 3 matches. So they are saying that that was part of the pre-season. So they were still training and they're not in the league yet. So they're starting the Premier League after the international break. So this is what Pep Guardiola had to say.
Now, like officially, the pre-season is over.
So I don't know if this is mockery or is it I don't know, is it overconfidence? I don't understand.